I'm back tonight with my final meal. It is Wednesday, well, it's early Thursday morning, but I broke my fast at 10 o'clock, so 10 o'clock p.m. I broke my fast. So that's why I'm eating this late. I need to get this second meal in, or else I would not even have 1,000 calories. And I worked out today. So I have 4 eggs, whole eggs, with a slice of Munster cheese, and then this bacon is a bacon that I'm trying for the first time. Y'all saw me with Garrett's bacon. It's kind of like the similar thing, a similar bacon, but this is by Sprouts. It's the uncured turkey bacon made from turkey thighs chopped and formed. No nitrates added, no preservatives, no antibiotics, no hormones. The other one had no sugar. So I have to read and see what the sugar content is on this one, but it's low in calories. I think it's like 45 calories a slice. And so I could do 2 calories, and the fat is low on it as well. Let me see. Okay, so I pulled the information up on my MacBook. So 8 ounces. So I'm believing this is the right one. And you can see the calories are 30 calories for one slice. So that's 60 for one slice. This is actually lower than the Garrett's. The Garrett's is 45 calories for one slice. It's only 1 gram of fat, 0 sach, 0 trans, sodium 200 is low, carbs, no sugar. So this one has no sugar too, and it's 5 grams of protein. I was thinking the other one, the Garrett's, is more protein. So basically, this is the nutrition facts for that turkey bacon. Let me look at the other one. So this is the one that I have been using. I did do a review showing it to y'all. I do like the Garrett's. It's sugar-free turkey, uncured. I did put this in one of my videos. It's paleo. Let me see if I can come with the nutrition facts. They also have a sausage that's pretty good too. That's low in calories, and I get all of mine from Sprouts for the most part. So the sausage that I used one time was really good. The same thing. It was low in calories, fat. I think sugar-free as well. And it tastes good. It's not nasty. As y'all know, I love my bacon. I would get me 1 slice of regular bacon. But like I said, when you cut calories and you want to cut calories the right way, you know. Okay, so here's the nutrition for the Garrett's uncured turkey bacon, sugar-free. So you can see I put it at 2 because that's how many slices I use. So it's 40 calories per slice, so it's 80. It's only 3 grams of fat for 2, 1 saturated, 320 sodium, no carbs, no sugar, no dietary fiber, 12 grams of protein. And then it has 4% iron. So it's basically good for everybody. And this is the things that it said is good for, like Atkins. Who's still doing the Atkins diet? Low carb, carb friendly, low fat, good source of protein. So that is what that is for Garrett's Valley Farms uncured turkey bacon that's sugar-free. I get mine from Sprouts. And then this is the Sprouts brand uncured turkey bacon sugar-free. I put it up to 2 slices, so this is what it would be for 2 slices. No carbs, no sugar, 10 grams of protein, 2 grams of fat, no saturated or trans, 400 sodium. You know, so it's good numbers. And it's the ingredients in it: bacon cured with water, salt, sugar, sodium phosphate flavorings, sodium nitrate. The thing that get people is the flavorings, because that's just such a broad word. You don't know. I think that's a company's way of hiding something that they don't want people to know. So they put flavorings. It's very broad, but you're going to find that in most stuff, except for if it's fresh, you know, fresh meat, you know, stuff like that. Anything that's packaged, you're going to see stuff like flavoring, sodium nitrate, you know, whatever. Try it out and see how you like it. I'm thinking we all ate enough of flavorings, you know, to sink a ship. So it's not that big of a deal to me right now. So yeah, I'm thinking it tastes just like the other one, Garrett's. Well, yeah, pretty much do. Tastes like Garrett's, you know. So let's get a thumbs up for the Sprout brand as well. It's also lower in some calories, and the protein is higher on this one as well. So that's why I wanted to bring it back. Y'all have a good night, good morning. Enjoy your Thursday. Be safe. Stay your butt in the house unless you gotta go to the doctor or the grocery store, and it seems like you can't even go to the grocery store now. But do what you gotta do to keep yourself healthy and your family. And until next time, peace.